Found a WCD file from an old Microsoft Works installation? This contains calendar and scheduling data from the productivity suite that introduced millions to personal computing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access and migrate these calendar entries. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the WCD format fails. More on this later. WCD files are calendar document files created by Microsoft Works containing appointment event and scheduling data from the Works calendar module. They store date, time, location, recurrence, and reminder information for personal calendar management within the Microsoft Works productivity suite. Microsoft Works WCD calendar files use a proprietary binary format, storing calendar event records with fields for event title, date, time, duration, location, recurrence, pattern, alarm settings, and text notes, organized by date within the Works calendar database structure. The proprietary opener for the WCD file structure is typically Microsoft Works by Microsoft Corporation. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows shows only basic file facts, so deeper investigation requires the correct program. The initial test, right-click the WCD file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Works is installed, test that first. If it's not present, choose another program. Don't worry if it fails on the first try. If you still can't open the WCD file, it's okay. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the WCD file won't cooperate. First, opening in Microsoft Works. If Microsoft Works is still installed, open the application and navigate to the Calendar module. Works automatically reads WCD files from its data directory, displaying appointments in day, week, or month views. Double-click events to view or edit details including time, location, and notes. Next, migrating calendar data. Export calendar events from Microsoft Works to standard ICS iCalendar format if the export option is available. Alternatively, manually transfer event details to Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, or Apple Calendar by creating new events with the same information from each WCD entry. Finally, alternative recovery. If Works is unavailable, try opening the WCD file in a hex editor to identify readable text strings containing event titles, dates, and descriptions. Use these extracted details to manually recreate important calendar entries in your current calendar application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.